This is the daily briefing from Transport Topics for September 18th. I'm Esmeralda Leon. Peak shipping for the holiday season is fast approaching, making it a prime time for criminal activity. What steps can your company take to protect its digital and physical security? Erica Voss of DAT Freight and Analytics returns for a one-on-one conversation with Transport Topics Managing Editor Seth Clevenger to discuss developing smart cybersecurity practices for businesses. Coming September 19th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time at ttn.ws/DAT Webinar 24. Now let's dive into the day's top stories. Yellow Corp has lost a critical court ruling regarding $6.5 billion in pension debts, which could severely limit shareholder recovery. U.S. bankruptcy judge Craig Goldblatt sided with pension funds over the calculation of penalties for canceling retirement plans. This decision, which follows Yellow's $1.9 billion sale of its terminals, prioritizes pension claims over shareholders like hedge fund MFN Partners. Yellow's stock plunged by 88% after the ruling. The final payment amount is still undetermined, but pension funds now hold the upper hand in negotiations. Speaking of tough developments on the legal front, a jury in Alabama has issued a $160 million verdict against Daimler Truck North America after a product liability case involving a 2022 rollover accident left a driver, Leonard Streets, paralyzed. The verdict awarded $75 million in compensatory and punitive damages each, with $10 million to Streets' wife for loss of consortium. The plaintiff's attorney cited design flaws in the truck's roof and suspension seat, while Daimler disputes these claims and plans to appeal the decision. A coalition of companies, including PepsiCo, Maersk, and Microsoft, is developing charging infrastructure for long-haul electric trucks along the Interstate 10 corridor from Los Angeles to El Paso, Texas. This initiative is part of the National Zero-Emission Freight Corridor strategy and involves installing charging stations to support battery electric fleets. Terawatt Infrastructure will manage the charging hubs. The project aims to advance the electrification of heavy-duty transport and aligns with broader corporate sustainability goals, particularly in reducing carbon emissions in logistics. That's it for today. Remember, for all the latest trucking and transportation news, go to the experts at ttnews.com.
Spoken Layer.